Hi everyone, I am JULKA. Today's topic is ellipse. In conic section part 3, we will discuss ellipse. First equation of ellipse is x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Here a greater than b. If we put y equal to 0, the value of x is plus minus a. If we put x equal to 0, the value of y is plus minus b. By joining these 4 points, we can draw ellipse. We have center at origin. So center is 0, 0. Here we have two vertices at a and minus a. So vertices are plus minus a, 0. We can calculate e square using formula 1 minus b square divided by a square. And always remember that here e is always less than 1. We have two foci, a at minus a. So the foci are plus minus a, 0, where a equals to in root of a square minus b square divided by a. X-axis is known as major axis. So equation of major axis is y equal to 0. And y-axis known as minor axis. And equation of minor axis equals to x equal to 0. Because at y-axis, x is 0. Now, length of major axis 2a and length of minor axis is 2b. In this ellipse, we have two lattice sectum at a and the length of lattice sectum is 2b square upon a. And we have two directrix and the equation of directrix x equals to plus minus a divided by e. Second type of parabola, when y square by a square plus x square by b square equal to 1. Again here a is greater than b. If we put x equal to 0, the value of y is plus minus a. If we put y equal to 0, the value of x is plus minus b. By joining these 4 points, we can draw the ellipse. Here center is origin. So center is 0, 0. We have two vertices 0, plus minus a, and again we calculate e square using same formula 1 minus b square by a square, where a is less than 1. And now we have two foci and the foci are 0, plus minus ae, where a equals to in root of a square minus b square divided by a. Y-axis is known as major axis. And equation of major axis is x equal to 0. And x-axis is known as minor axis. And equation of minor axis is y equal to 0. Because at x-axis y is 0. Length of major axis is 2a. And length of minor axis is 2b. And we have two lattice sectum at foci and the length of lattice sectum is 2b square upon a. In this ellipse we have two directrix and the equation of directrix y equals to plus minus a upon e. Now we'll explain with the help of example. First example, equation of ellipse is given to us x square by 9 plus y square by 4 equals to 1. So this is the first kind of equation of ellipse. Here a square equals to 9. So a equals to 3 and b square equal to 4 and b equals to 2. And we will calculate e square using formula 1 minus b square divided by a square. So e square equals to 1 minus 4 upon 9, which equals to 5 by 9. So the value of e equals to in root of 5 divided by 3. Now we'll draw this rough figure. When we put x equal to 0, the value of y is plus minus 2. If we put y equal to 0, the value of x is plus minus 3. By joining these 4 points, plus minus 3, 0 and 0, plus minus 2, we'll get an ellipse. Here, center at origin. So center is 0, 0. Vertices are plus minus a, 0. This implies this is plus minus 3, 0. foci plus minus AE comma 0. A is 3 and E is root 5 by 3. So we'll get the answer plus minus root 5 comma 0. Equation of major axis y equal to 0. Equation of minor axis x equal to 0. Length of major axis is 2a and a is 3. So length of major axis is 2 into 3 is 6. Length of minor axis is 2b and the value of b is 2. So 2 multiplied by 2 equals to 4. Length of lattice rectangle is 2b square upon a. B is 2 and a is 3. Answer is 8 by 3. Equation of directrix is x equals to plus minus a upon e. A is 3 and e is root 5 by 3. So the answer is x equals to plus minus 9 by root 5. Equation of second ellipse. Y square by 36 plus x square by 4 equals to 1. Here a square equal to 36 and b square equal to 4. So the value of a is 6 and the value of b is 2. And we know that a always greater than b. Now we calculate e square. E square is 1 minus b square divided by a square, which equals to 1 minus 4 by 36. And after calculation we get e square equals to 8 by 9. This implies e equals to 2 root 2 by 3. If we put x equal to 0, the value of y is plus minus 6. If we put y equal to 0, the value of x is plus minus 2. So we have 4 points, plus minus 2 comma 0 and 0 comma plus minus 6. By joining these 4 points, we'll get ellipse. Here, center is 0 comma 0 because center at origin. Vertices 0 comma plus minus a, so which equals to 0 comma plus minus 6. Foci is 0 comma plus minus ae. A is 6 and e is 2 root 2 by 3. By putting the value of a and e, we'll get the answer 0 comma plus minus 4 root 2. Equation of major axis is x equal to 0 because major axis is y axis. Equation of minor axis is y equal to 0 because minor axis is x axis. Length of major axis is 2a and the value of a is 6. So 2 multiplied by 6 equals to 12. Length of minor axis is 2b and the value of b is 2. So 2 multiplied by 2 equals to 4. Length of lattice rectangle is 2b square upon a. B square is 4 and a is 6. So the answer is 4 by 3. And the last, equation of directrix. Y equals to plus minus a upon e. The value of a is 6 and the value of e is 2 root 2 divided by 3. So the answer is y equals to plus minus 9 upon root 2. Last example. An arc in a form of semi-ellipse. It is 8 meter wide and 2 meter high at the center. Find the height of the arc at a point 1.5 meter from one end. We have semi-ellipse, width is 8. So 4 on the left hand side of origin and the 4 on the right hand side of origin. And the height from the middle is 2. From one end, distance is 1.5. So the distance from origin is 2.5. And let required height at 2.5 from the origin is h. Here, OA equals to 4 and OB equals to 2. So we can say that A equals to 4 and B equals to 2. And we will use equation x square by a square plus y square by b square equals to 1 for ellipse. Here a is 4 and b is 2. So x square by 16 plus y square by 4 equals to 1. Now take this equation as a first equation. We have one point on ellipse P which is 2.5 comma h. Because P lies on ellipse, so it will satisfy the ellipse. Put x equals to 2.5 and y equals to h, and after simplification we'll get the value of h 1.56 meter approximately.